changed. The armed forces, the army used to dominate the 1500 meters. It's now the civil world which has started to do that as well. 4 laps of this wonderful complex, the Pataliputra Sports Complex here at Patna, the heart of the city, at Kankarabad. They've done the first 200 meters. They've done the first 100 meters, correction. Now onto the back straight. We've seen this same pattern. The first 400 odd meters, we got everyone together, all 16 together. But that difference, Virender, between 1 and 16 of close to about 4 or 5 meters, although they are together, sometimes does make a difference.
Yes, that is a 1600 meter run, and now they have completed the 300 meters, now proceeding to the home state to finish the first lap. And still the whole bunch, whole 16 are together, but as they proceed forward towards the finish, definitely there will be a split. And at present it is 3269. It is Nonthomba from Bishanpur, Manipur. It is from Manipur. He is from Manipur, and now still the whole 16 are together. Look there, sir, on the back straight. And it is going to be a very big competition now.
Yes, distance running is a contest fought on the battleground of your own body with specific demands upon the will which are different in nature from those, of course, experienced in the power events. These are young boys, so the power events will come to them much later as they move up in life towards the 1500 meters. Some of them perhaps might go on to do the 800 meters, or some of them might graduate to the 5000 meters. But yes, the will, of course, is central to the distance events, and these are the activities which are capable of analysis in the same way as other athletic events.
And here they completed the 800 meter, and still all together. All together.
So 16 of them, not one has taken the back seat. But I keep on emphasizing that if you're lying 16th after 800 meters, then it's very difficult for you to catch up unless you got some extraordinary power to move in from the outside into the inside.
Now here the split started. They started splitting from the group.
Well, still not. You still have about 5 or 6 of them. Each one is trying to say, "Main aage jaunga." But I think it's too close for comfort, this event. The boys under 1600 meters. Is this the breakaway? 400 meters. Virender, one of them will have to say, or 2 of them will have to say, "Now is the time for me to break away."
Yes, now they are going for the last lap as the bell rings, and then there will be a chance. But still a tough competition altogether. And here it goes. Bib number 1195 has taken up a lead. Manav Bisoya from South Delhi. But we have to look forward whether he will maintain that lead or not. But it seems that it will be a very tough competition.
Well, he's been pushed back. The boy in blue has taken over. And what's that?
2679.
Avdesh Batam of ग्वालियर मध्य प्रदेश. बहुत नजदीकी मामला होने वाला है वरिंदर.
जी नहीं, देखिए आखिरी 150 मीटर शेष है और अवधेश बाथम